What's up guys, here in a new video. Just scrolling and reading the news and seeing Twitter is banned in Nigeria. You can no longer do Twitter if you're in Nigeria because of some things which I won't talk about that right now. But in this video I'm going to show you how to do Twitter even though if you're in Nigeria. At first, I'm not teaching you this to break the law or disobey the rules and regulations of the country. I'm just teaching you this because of the business people in the country, Nigeria, of which they promote their goods and services through Twitter and they can't live without Twitter. So this will affect them a lot. And so I sympathize with them and guys show you how to do Twitter even though if you're in Nigeria. So without further ado, let's get started. First, to do this, we are going to the settings. After going to settings, scroll down to mobile data here. Then go to network selection. This is automatic. Go back to mobile data network. You see this? You are going to clean all this and write this, so you have to copy it or write it somewhere, then put it back again. It will reset the network. Then go to the app store. You will have the app store. Search for VPN, and there are a lot of apps, but I will recommend you to download the Turbo VPN private browser. Open it. After opening it, you will load for some while. Still loading. So here we are, and tap this carrot and it start connecting. It's connected. You kind of see VPN up here. You see this VPN, so that means it's connected. And then the next thing to do is go to the Twitter app here. I will wait so that it will refresh. So just know I'm not teaching you this to disobey the law or break the law. Just do this if you're a businessman or businesswoman, so that you can continue your business and you don't have to, because seriously I don't know when Twitter are going to I don't know when Nigeria are going to unban Twitter. Honestly, they said indefinitely, of which, okay, here we are. As you can see, there are some notification. Let's visit this. There's a top body account. You can see, you can scroll and it's working. Let's try and search YouTube for you to confirm, and there are a lot of YouTube here. Loading. You can scroll, you can do whatever you want to do. So this is just for the business people. You can go ahead and do what I just showed you, and you can do Twitter. And we are done for this video. To see more tech videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.